Hi everybody, just a warning, this is just a talking head today. We are still at Rice Ranch. And I gotta tell you, okay, first of all, somebody said, it does not look like the city. Well, this is what Rice Ranch looks like. I'll give you like a 180 here of the whole thing when it's not full. And this is where, okay? This is where we are going to have our Rice Ranch meetup. And this is pretty much what it will look like, except for those coming in to join us. And in January, though, this thing is like bumper to bumper to bumper to bumper to bumper of rigs. I don't even know how anybody does their slide outs and everything. Of course, all of Quartzsite gets to like 1.5 million people, and the population of the town itself is only 3,000. So I said something about we don't like being in the city, and I get somebody's like, that's not the city, and especially with the way it looks here. And of course Quartzsite probably, I don't even know what the classification of a city is. It might not even reach the classification of a city. But for us, compared to boondocking and being out in nature, it feels like city, and it's very loud. It may not be as loud as like New York, or I don't even know what cities to compare it to. I get that it's not loud like a lot of cities, but I'm gonna turn. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll let you see the, I got flies today. I don't know if you'll be able to see. This is a lazy Sunday afternoon, and you'll be able to see now that I'm saying that, there's no cars going by on the road. This is 95 that goes south to Yuma. Anyway, I don't even know why I'm saying that. But yeah, I do. I'm sharing that because this... It has occurred to me that getting real with Debra is a little bit like yin yang, or two sides of a coin of Debra. Kind of like the mirror has two faces. It's like I'm always sharing something with you guys, and I'm always afraid that it's going to sound like I'm whining, and I don't mean for it to. I'm not. I don't mean to be. And I'm also so very grateful for all of my blessings. It's like today. I'll give you an example. Robert and we are celebrating because we've made some decisions that's going to affect both our channels and To Meander, and we're very excited about it. And I know that that's a little bit of a tease. I'm looking in my hair is like hitting the top of the van. But anyway, I know that's a little bit of a tease, but I can't tell you more because we'll release it together. But our families and friends are going to be happy. I'm happy. Robert's happy. It's going to be great for To Meander, and our patrons are going to love it. And anyway, we've made some decisions, and so we went out to lunch and then wanted to come back and get to work. And we went to this restaurant, and it looked so cute from the outside and everything. And we got inside, and it was so expensive. I mean, it's just a little Mexican food restaurant. You wouldn't expect it to be that expensive. They even charge like $1.50 every time you want a little bitty, you know, they give you have to order chips and salsa, and that's $2.50. And then they wanted another $1.50 to refill the little bowl of salsa. I was like, yeah, no, never mind. Anyway, I'm sharing that because I'm also very grateful because we were able to go out to eat, and I know a lot of people can't. And then the cost stressed us, and I know everybody faces that, especially this time of year, right? And we are here in the city, and that's stressing me. We came back, and I had to lay down and take a nap because my brain just shut down. I couldn't even carry on a conversation with Robert. It was he's the one that told me you need to go lay down. You're not even talking anymore. I was kind of not making sense. Anyway, so I laid down, and I'm better now. And I have somebody that blasted me that said, you know, cry me a river, sweetheart. I work 2 jobs, and I'm raising my grandchildren, and I don't ever get to take naps. And you know, you're out there complaining, and that you had to lay down and take a nap. And I don't mean it that way. I'm not complaining that I had to take a nap. I'm just sharing with you what my day was. And that was my day. And we're here in the city, and it has just drugged me down. Now, granted, we're holding our Rice Ranch meetup, here in the city, and it's going to be for 4 days, but I'm going to have people with me. We've got plans, and you know, that's different than just being stuck here. And we've had friends that have come by. My friends Carol and Colleen came by. Our friends Chuck and Letty came by, and I got to play with their dog Rosie, and I just love them. And they got a couple of books, so it's been a lovely time. But I'm not doing the city anymore, I don't think, other than like our meetup and stuff like that. That's different. I'm not camping. That's what I want to say. I'm not camping in the city anymore. I'll come in for events and stuff, and of course I'm really looking forward to our Rice Ranch meetup. 1 year ago, no, not 1 year ago today. Where did I come up with that? 3 years ago today, I was in the desert cooking breakfast with my bestie Kendall, and I miss her. She's in Florida, and the people that were there that day, one of them has passed on, and another one is just doing this part-time, and life out here just seems to have changed. And I've been having a hard time finding my rhythm lately with twomeander and with mine and Robert's different traveling styles, and I'm so excited. I really wish I could tell you what we've come up with, but I can't. And I've got another friend that might be coming by in a little while, so I'm gonna have to hang up and get this video out to you guys. I don't think she's gonna make it in time for me to share that surprise visit with you, but if she does, maybe I'll get it on tomorrow's video if she makes it before dark. But we'll be traveling tomorrow and going to my friend's Tiki's for Thanksgiving, and life is good. I'm just amazed at the number of people that tell me, you know, I don't want to take my mask off, or I don't want to get real, or I don't want to take the layers off in front of people. I have mask on purpose, and it's really brave what you're doing. And I just want to throw out there that I'm not doing this channel for me. I'm doing this channel for all of us to have a platform on getting real. And I don't think anything I do or anything you do or anything anybody does is unique. We all have these layers to take off, and I don't even know how to say what I want to say today, because the holidays are just stressful, and it's Thanksgiving, and yet I have it so good. And so anyway, I hope that you're not stressing out there today. I hope that you're enjoying it, and I hope that if you needed a nap, you got to take one. And if not, just know that you are loved and life is good, and don't ever give up no matter what. I think that's it for today, everybody. I just wanted to check in with you and tell you, see you down the road. Bye. Rosie the retriever and her dog food, her door food, yeah. her little snacks. Love you guys. Bye. Bye.